reaction. I know you guys would be angry. That's why I'm here to say that I'm sorry. Okay, I'm really sorry, guys. I've been busy with an online beauty pageant, and I've also been busy with school assignments and everything, but I'm back now. I'm back. And yeah, I'm not really done with school or anything, but I'm just going to try as much as I can to be getting contents, you know, posted here like every week, guys, every week. So if you're not subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you leave a comment. Moving straight to what we have today, we're not here to play or anything. We're going to be unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing 3 things today, guys, and I'm sure you can see it behind me already. That's it. Oh yeah, and we're actually doing this video in my room. I just decided to do it in my room today because why not? Let's just get straight into this video. Let's just get straight into it. Okay, we have like 3 items that we're going to be unboxing. And which kind of chicken is this? You know, everything is going to stop to. What the hell? So, let me just go and close the window because I don't understand what's happening. Okay, guys, so the first thing we're going to be unboxing today is this. Can y'all see? So yes, baby girl actually has a microphone right now. I don't know what this thing is, but I actually came with this thing, so we don't know what this is yet. Today, all these chickens that have been interrupting this our video. Hopefully the mic actually works well right now. So I'm trying to we're unboxing together. Okay, so this is our microphone. Let me show you. This is our new microphone. You guys know that I'm a graphic designer. In case if you didn't know, I'm actually a graphic designer. You guys should please go check out my page on Instagram. Follow my personal page though, but still follow my business page. Oh gosh. Okay, one of the reasons why I am madly in love with this microphone is because of the cord. Can you see? The cord is so long, it's just everywhere, like all over the place. So let's try if this microphone is working. Sorry, I don't know if it's actually working or not. I'll have to stop the video to listen to it too to see if it's working. I think we're actually going to just be, you know, using this mic. We are going to use this mic throughout the whole video. So, sorry, I don't want to shout too much. Can you hear me? Can y'all hear me? Phayte facts. Can you guys hear me? Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, I have to check if it's actually working. Not that I'll just be talking and then it will be working. Okay, let me check. Our mic is working perfectly well. See me looking all professional. Okay, so now let's go back. Let's go and unbox the remaining stuff. So next one is this one, and the store I actually got all these things from is Ostine 7070. I actually wanted to do a mini vlog. I couldn't vlog because they said no camera allowed. So anyway, it's fine. Ooh, this is actually our stand, guys. Oh my god, can you see the let me not gonna have a mental breakdown. So okay, I don't know. Okay, how are we going to do this thing now? Am I because you guys are far? Let me see. You are up. Let me. Okay, the thing is that you might not be able to see my face anymore, but at least you will see yeah, I think should be. Oh wow, ow, is this supposed to be like this? Oh, wow, I tried doing this thing and I don't think you guys can see what I'm doing, so I'll just have to stay on the bed and do it. So I want to see how tall this wow, How would you say how tall it can go? Oh, wow. This other part over. Wow! Hi! How about this, Yo, guys, can you see? Can you see how tall? Okay, I'm going to show you guys how tall this thing is actually. It's actually on my bed right now, but I want to show you guys. It is so long. I keep saying tall as if it's a human being. Something I actually love about this tripod stand is that it's actually very easy to mount, and it is so long. Okay, I don't want to spoil it. I don't want to spoil it. Whoa! Okay, let's bring you down. You can't be taller than your owner. So, okay, let's bring you down. Let's bring it down. So, yeah. So now we have unboxed our microphone, and we've also unboxed our tripod stand from Austin 7070, even though they did not allow me to vlog inside their shop. I'm not angry. I'm just saying that it hurt me because I actually wanted to add a vlog inside this thing, but it's fine. It's fine. I won't complain. I'm not upset. Now let's go straight to the moment we've all been waiting for, the ring light. Okay, let's see what they have for us. Yo. So I'm actually so happy for this. I don't know if you guys can see me. In case you can't see me, I'll have to do this whole video again. Okay, so let me bring the camera a little bit down. Right? Okay, let me see. I want you guys to be able to see me. Okay? I brought the camera down. So this is it. Okay. Okay, see, one thing I love about these people is their packaging. Guys, I literally have a bag now, you know, in case if I want to do a shoot or something, I can just carry my ring light into, I can just carry my ring light with this bag and I'm good to go. So now let's remove it from here and let's see. Oh my god. Wait, come up now. Let me stop. I know I'm being too dramatic. It's just, this is the moment I have been waiting for. Whoa. So guys, this ring light. Have not even opened it. I want to spoil. Okay, so this ring light is 13 inches. Wow. I'm just so grateful. So now we've unboxed it, and yeah, this ring light came with this accessory, the phone holder. Yeah, did. Okay, chill. Let me show you closed. Came with this. So right now, guys, we will mount the ring light. Let's see if I can actually mount the ring light and then put it on. You know, let's just see. Yeah, we're back, and I don't know what to do. I've never, you know, done this kind of thing before. I've never tried to set up a ring light. I don't want my ring light to be taller than me. That's just disrespectful. That's just being disrespectful to the owner. Okay, how are we gonna do you? put it inside like this. Gosh, this is so hard. Why is the ring light falling for? Is that how it does? I think you should tell me whether I'm doing it well. I don't know. Yay! There is problem. I think I need to go back and watch videos on how to mount your ring light, because okay, I think it has stayed now. Shaby, have you stayed? Oh, I think it has stayed now. So it's supposed to be like this. You're supposed to be seated. Calm down, calm down. Even though I said I didn't want the ring light to be taller than me, it's still taller than. Ooh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Whoa. I don't want you to be taller than me. Calm down. Calm down to my level. So see? Yes. Ooh, 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 ooh. Next step is this accessory that I don't know where they actually put it. I think it has 2 spots. See, I want you guys to be seeing as I'm doing it. So the ring light has 2 spots. It had this spot and this spot. So in case if you want to use this spot, I think you can actually just use this spot. Wow, so you can just bend it, record your videos and everything. So now it is time to put the ring light on. Okay, so now we're going to try and put the ring light on. Okay, this is hard. I just thought maybe this video was going to be so easy, you know, just me showing you guys the stuff that I got, but as you can see, it's hard work. It is hard. So I forgot to show you guys this switch which came with the ring light. It came with the ring light though. Can you see? Okay, let me show you guys where I'm plugging it into. Just look at the details, yo. See, these people are just so amazing. Look at their names here again, guys. I've done everything. I've done everything. So let's just plug it in and see how it goes. I have a lot of things to do. I have people's jobs that I have not done, but yet I'm making this video for you guys because I love you. You know, I have school work, but no. I said today I'm going to make this video and tell my Phayte Effects family and my team first that I love you guys. You know. Let me plug this thing now. Let me just plug this thing. Yeah, this is the view of the ring lights right now. This is the view, the ring lights view. See, please don't judge me by what you're seeing behind me. I actually designed this whole room when I was like, I don't know how many years I was, but I actually regret having Big Time Rush, Tyler, and if you check, in fact, don't worry, after this video I will show you guys my hall of fame of celebrities. There's even Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez. Yeah, let me put on the ring lights right now so that we can see the effects. Let's see how, you know, it is. So this is, oh wow, this is my face after, and it has so many settings. This is the worm setting, this is the light setting. I don't know how it looks though. Okay guys, so this is what the ring light actually looks like. Let's see how bright it is. So sorry, so this is what it actually looks like. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you have not, because bangers are about to start dropping in. I've told you guys, I did not come here to play. The ring light, the microphone, everything. I couldn't have gotten all these things if not for God. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification. I'm also going to be giving a post notification shout out in all of my videos. If you don't know what a post notification is, it is a little bell close to, you know, the subscribing button, and all you just have to do is click it and you will get first class notification when I or Phayte post a video. And also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Queen Phayte Official. Don't forget to follow my graphic designing page at Ojiobas Designs, and do not forget to follow Phayte on Instagram at Phayte. Oh, before I go, let me show you guys my Hall of Childhood. Or is it Hall of Fame, Hall of Child? I don't know what it is, but let me just show you. Justice, Ariana Grande, Russian, Taylor, Lutner, Big Time Rush. There's, oh my god, Hannah Montana, Justin Bieber, Selena Gomez, Camp Rock. Designed this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time on my next video. Bye. Don't forget to talking too fast. Where is it?